Instagram celebrities, our Nollywood celebrities, they are now playing matches on TikTok, making money. So what are you waiting for? Don't be left out. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this channel I talk about different ways you can make money online. Okay, so if you're coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe and hit the bell notification. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming and always sticking with me. Today I'll be talking about 7 ways you can earn money on TikTok with your Nigerian TikTok. On this era of people talking about getting a US accounts, UK accounts, UK TikTok, US TikTok, I'm going to be showing you 7 ways you can earn with your Nigerian TikTok. Okay, you mustn't have a US account to earn, you mustn't have a UK account to earn on TikTok. Okay, so with your Nigerian account you can also earn on TikTok. So today I'll be showing you 7 ways you can earn on with your Nigerian account on TikTok. Do well to stay to the end of this video, because the 7th way I'll be showing you will be an expo. Many people don't talk about it, but this 7th one, don't miss it. Stay to the end so that you will get the 7th one. All right, okay, so let's go into it. If you see me looking down, I'm looking into my book because I wrote them down so that I will not miss anyone. Okay, so number 1 is subscription. People can subscribe to your channel. Okay, there are different subscription, there are different categories of subscription that people can do on your channel. So I'll be displaying it here so that you will see them, so people can subscribe to your channel, and when they subscribe, you earn money from their subscription. At the end of every month, you get paid from the subscription money. Okay, so number 2 is live gifts. Live gifts, when you have up to 1k followers on your channel, on your TikTok, when you have 1k followers on your TikTok, you can go live and people will come into your live stream and gift you. When they love what you are doing, they will gift you. You can also play games, play challenging games, and earn money. Okay, I even have a video on this channel how you can get to your 1k subscribers very fast on TikTok. Okay, I'll be leaving the link on this video how you can get to your 1k subscribers very fast, so you can start going live and make money. You see many people, even our celebrities now, are playing matches, so don't be left out. Our celebrities, our Instagram celebrities, our Nollywood celebrities, they are now playing matches on TikTok, making money. So what are you waiting for? Don't be left out. So don't be doing bigger. I cannot play game, I cannot do challenge game on TikTok. If you snooze, you lose. They are cashing out big every week, every day on TikTok live. So start now, get your 1k subscribers, get your 1k followers, and start going live. And getting 1k followers is even very easy on TikTok. It's very easy. It's one of the simplest. You can even get your 1k followers in a day on TikTok. Okay, I have a video on that, so I'm going to be leaving the link of that video here so they can click it and watch it. Okay, all right. So number 3. Okay, number 3 on my list is video gifts. That one might be very hard, okay, but people still get video gifts. When you have 10k followers and you are creating a good content, people might like what you are creating and they gift you. Like one of my friends, they gift my video sometimes. Okay, I get video gift because I have more than 10k followers on my TikTok, so I do get video gifts. So this is another way you can earn from TikTok, through video gifts. Okay, so number 4 is working with artists. Okay, some artists, when they make their song and they want their song to go viral, they are going to put it on TikTok and ask people to use their sound. And when you use those sounds, they are going to pay you for using their sound. Okay, this is very easy. Just click on your TikTok studio, go to work with artist section, click on it and see the sound that are there, make use of the sound, and then when you meet up with the criteria, they are going to pay you depending on your rank on that your video, your views and everything. Okay, when you just read the instructions and see how they are going to pay you. Okay, these are ways people are making money on the app. Okay, these 4 that I've listed are the ones that on you, when you go to your TikTok studio, you're going to see them your live gifts, your video gifts, your subscription, and working with artists. Okay, so this remaining 4, nobody will tell you that. Okay, the remaining 4 is, okay, when you are a voice, when you already know what you are doing, people will come to you. When you have many followers, many subscribers, people will come to you and will want you to promote their services, promote their goods for you, for them on your platform. Okay, so when you promote their goods for them, they are going to pay you. Many of our TikTok celebrities are charging as high as 500k, 200k, 1m to promote people on their page. Okay, so go there, build a very good audience, a very good online space, and brands will start coming to you for promotion, and you're going to get paid. They are going to pay you for promoting their goods. Okay, and number 6 is sales. If you're a business person, if you have things that you are selling, you can also come to TikTok and promote them. When people see them, they will like it and they will buy from you. I have bought so many things from people selling them on TikTok. Okay, so many people are promoting their businesses, promoting their brands on TikTok, and they are getting paid. There's one viral video now that is going. One guy like that, he came on TikTok and he was just marketing his meat pie. Meat pie, that was his marketing. He just saying meat pie, and people saw that the sound went viral. Now that guy is getting so many deals just from coming to the app to market his business, and people saw it. They love what he did. He entertained them, and he's getting promotions every here and there, and his life is turned around, or just by that sound his life is changed. Now his life is changed. So you can still come to the app and showcase your business, showcase what you are doing. You might get lucky and your business will go viral and people will start looking for you and buying from you. Brands and everything will start looking for you and buying from you. Then the last one, but not the least, that people don't know, people don't talk about, is this particular app, sound.me. Sound.me. So when you go look for sound.me, register, they pay you for using sounds. Okay, when they bring out a sound and you use the sound, they are going to pay you for using that sound. Okay, sound.me, look for it, download it, and then start making use of it. All right, people are using it to cash, and they pay you in dollar when you use the sound. At the end of the campaign, your money, they're going to pay you your money. Okay, these are the 7 ways you can actually make money on TikTok with your Nigerian accounts. So if you're in Nigeria, stop looking for, I want a UK account, I want a US account, let me start making. With your Nigerian TikTok account, you can make money online. Okay, so that your Nigerian account you have, don't abandon it looking for UK account. Go right now and start building it so that you can also do all these things that I said and make your money online. All right, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. If you love my videos, do well to subscribe, comment, and like. Turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss my videos. All right, thank you so much.